3 steps to becoming more productive. Number 1 is gonna be your environment. It is detrimental, the environment that you are set in when you're actually working. Something that I found that's very effective for myself is making sure that there are little to no distractions. I oftentimes put my phone in airplane mode. I have the TV off, I have music off unless it's instrumental or jazz, and I also focus on one task. See, as entrepreneurs, we often have ADHD, or we constantly want to do a bunch of different things or bounce to different things, and what happens is we get a little bit of everything done, but a lot of nothing done. So what I like to focus is on one thing and be laser focused, so you want to make sure that you set your environment right. The way that my environment looks like is, number 1, I'm focusing on one thing. Number 2, I'm using aromatherapy, particularly grapefruit, to help my focus and to help my actual environment and to get in that mood. I also sometimes play instrumental music like classical, jazz, or just soft hip hop beats. This also helps me stay in the working mode, and it also helps me stay in tune. Another thing that I like to do is I like to actually track my work and how long it is taking. Every single time I'm getting ready to do something, I make sure I have a timer on it and I have a time limit. Leading into number two is gonna be deadlines. This has helped me out substantially when it comes to knocking out things and becoming more productive. Oftentimes we have a cheat sheet or we have a punch list of things that we have to do, but we often don't put a deadline. I found myself being more productive and accomplishing much more in much shorter times by attaching an actual deadline. Now, be specific with this deadline, be realistic with this deadline, and make sure that you're doing everything you can to hit it. Once you hit it, make sure that you are rewarding yourself. Implementing and adding gamification has helped me out substantially. Number 3 is gonna be being specific. See, in order to be prolific, you have to become specific, and oftentimes we have these goals and we have things that we wanna get done, we have these agendas, but they're not specific. I wanna suggest that you break things down into micro tasks that are super specific, like do X, Y, Z to achieve A, B, C. Being super specific and realistic with your goals and your goal setting is gonna allow you to be hyper productive and get more accomplished. These are 3 tips that I utilize to be productive, owning and running and being the CEO of several different companies and having nearly 100 employees. Make sure that you implement these because information changes situations only through implementation, and let me know in the comments down below or on social media somewhere how they helped you. By the way, if you hung around to the end, make sure you like this button, tap that subscribe button, and click the notification bell. I noticed a lot of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, and it would mean the world to me if you join the family. I'll see you on the other side. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.